Hi friends, hope everyone is good. In this video, we can see how to enable the secure boot and UEFI boot. In this thing, we can see the boot menu here. A LAN boot is enabled, a NVMe that the SSD boot is enabled, and the Windows boot manager is available. Actually, it is not booting because this is a Axon Carbon laptop. The UEFI boot and the secure boot is disabled. So let's see how to enable that thing. Here I will show if I change to the storage, then whether it will boot or not. Okay, it is trying to boot. Okay, it is not able to boot. So I am rebooting the laptop. Alt Control Delete. That time I got a normal, press enter. Okay, so F1 to enter the BIOS setup utility. I'm entering F1. I think it's start for the boot menu. Okay, from here we can see a lot of options: main, config, date and time, security. Okay, first we'll show how to enable the secure boot. Inside the security tab, we can use the down arrow. Here the secure boot we can select. I select the secure boot, and here we can see it is disabled. So click the enter key, so it will show the options. Here I am selecting the disable to enable. To start settings, also change as follows. If I need to change the secure boot to be enabled, it will be work on UEFI boot only, UEFI or legacy boot. So okay, are you sure to change the settings? Yes, I'm entering the settings. Okay, now the secure boot is enabled. So I need to change the values, and actually I need to go back again. I need to change the boot options. Now the security, inside the security, secure boot is enabled. Then I need to go to the startup. From the startup option, okay, that also it's changed. It's UEFI only, that is selected to UEFI only. If I want to select here both or something like that, then again I need to go to the security option. I will show that thing. On the secure boot, if it is disabled, okay, now the secure boot is disabled, and I am going to back menu, main menu. Here if I go to the startup, then I can change the UEFI legacy boot to either I can change to both, or also either I can change to both, or UEFI only or legacy only. Only in the case I can select this if the secure boot is disabled. If the secure boot is enabled, then I can select UEFI boot only. Actually my requirement is here I need to boot the Windows 10, so no, Windows 10 is not using, so Windows 10 was working on the UEFI boot mode. So I need the secure mode on. So I am going back to the previous menu. In the security tab, I am going to the secure boot. Here I am changing the option disabled to enable. See what happens. The startup settings also change. It will automatically change the startup settings. In some BIOS settings, it will not do the automatic settings. So we need to go back to the startup options, and we need to do it manually. Here I am checking yes. This is the Axon Carbon laptop, and the BIOS is everything is updated. That's why it is automatically changed the options. For some laptops or desktops, it don't do automatically. We need to change it manually. As I mentioned, here I am pressing the escape to go back. Then I am going to the startup option. Here I need to, in the UEFI legacy, here I can't able to select that option because the BIOS is automatically doing that thing. So now if it is done, and then I need to press the F10 key. Save configuration changes and exit now. Yes, I'm clicking yes. Let's see it is booting or not. Okay, to interrupt normal startup, press enter. I change the secure boot to enabled and the boot mode to UEFI boot. Actually this laptop is a super laptop X1 Carbon. Now the OS is loading. Come on. Hope it is loading up. Yes. Now the system is loading up. Earlier we got an error that we need to select the boot device. In this way we need to enable the secure boot as well as the UEFI boot. Thanks a lot of watching. Thanks a lot. Have a nice day. Stay safe. Thank you.